Chairman Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has slammed the country's de facto ruler, General Asim Munir's so-called hard state doctrine. In a message from his jail cell, Mr. Khan said the country's governance should be according to the constitution, rule of law and justice. Mr. Khan said the concept of a quote-unquote hard state that Asim Munir is trying to promote in Pakistan is completely misguided. A true hard state is one where the constitution reigns supreme, the rule of law is upheld, justice prevails, and democratic freedom exists, where national interest, not personal gain, takes precedence, unquote. General Munir has presided over some of the worst human rights violations in the country's history, which included the Islamabad massacre and Tehreek-e massacre, when dozens of demonstrators were killed. International outlets, including The Economist's intelligence unit, said Pakistan has become an authoritarian state under General Munir. Mr. Khan, in his message, said General Munir's policy of a hard state was weakening Pakistan. Quote, the atrocities being committed under Asim law are not making the state quote-unquote hard, but rather weakening its foundations further. A state cannot become stronger by shooting its own people through its own army, paramilitary rangers, and the police, as happened on November 26th and in Tehreek, unquote. Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan, widely regarded as the world's most prominent political prisoner, has revealed that he is being denied his fundamental rights in the maximum security Adiala jail, controlled by Pakistani intelligence and serving army officers. In a message through his lawyers, Mr. Khan said he has been allowed to speak to his sons only once in the past 10 months. Quote, according to the jail manual, I am not being provided with basic facilities. In the past 10 months, I have been allowed to speak with my sons only once, that too in 2 brief intervals of 3 minutes each, unquote, Mr. Khan said. Mr. Khan, who remains detained at Adiala jail, said he continues to be denied meetings with his family, lawyers and political aides in what he described as a sustained campaign to isolate him from his party and supporters. Quote, not only am I being deprived of basic human rights, but as a party leader, I am also not being allowed to meet my political workers. Obstacles are continuously being placed even in meetings with lawyers, political colleagues, and family members. This is a blatant violation of basic and legal rights, unquote. Last year, a United Nations Human Rights Working Group called for Mr. Khan's immediate release, declaring that his detention was, quote-unquote, arbitrary and in violation of international law. The former Prime Minister has not been seen in public since his arrest under the government of General Asim Munir, and his bail hearings have repeatedly been denied by courts that observers say are under the influence of the military establishment.